Today we're going to look at how to use Kami. So I go into the Google Classroom, then I go into my classwork, I look in my assignments, and I find an assignment that one of those that I know that uses Kami is Fun with Addition. Then I click on the assignment. I'm open up to this page, but notice at the top right-hand corner, there's a blue button that says Open with Kami, and it has this K. Sometimes it has this whole button like this, and sometimes it's just the letter K. But if it's there, you open it. Now you see it says Kami at the top, so you know it's loading. You see these extra toolbars start to pop up. Now we're on the page for the assignment that is open to Kami, and you see this toolbar, and you see this at the top. And now you click on the pencil and do your writing with the pencil. You can change the brush stroke, how wide it is. See? Of course, you don't want it that wide if you're writing something that small, so you change it right here. And if you have a touch screen, it's even easier, or a stylus where you can just kind of touch the screen without using your finger. And then to erase that, you click the little eraser here, and then I can just click on what I typed. And I don't want that anymore, so I just, got to click right on it when it's that small. Or there's a button at the top called Undo, and see, it undid my erasing, but it also undoes my writing. So you have two options there. You can go back to what you had just done, or you can actually erase it right here. Now, to change the colors in your drawing, you see these color palettes. And when I go on to it, you see that open here. And it will actually open even further. Like there's red. But if I click this down here, it opens up everything. And you can't hardly see it because the arrows are hiding it. But it's right down here. And then you can pick just about any color you want to use for your pencil. So that's pretty cool, because I'll choose purple and I'll save it. Okay, and so now it'll write, it's still writing in red here. No, but purple was added to my color palette. And so I could write in purple, I could write in yellow, I could write in green. Okay, and if I wanted to undo all that, I just click undo. Now, suppose I don't want to write at all. I just want to do text. Well, it has a big T, and if you put your cursor over the T, it says text box. So you click it, you click where you want to start writing, and you can start writing. Okay? That's if you don't want to use the pencil. A lot of people want it to look really neat, and that's fine. You can use that. And notice it has a font size here. It means how big the numbers are when you type, or the words when you type. And down here, you can choose the colors, just like with the paint. So it has a lot of possibilities if you want to do that. The shapes and things like that are not really going to be used a lot. Sometimes you want to insert an image, and there that is. I doubt you'll use that very much. The three main ones you're going to use is drawing, eraser, and undo. Now, suppose you want that bigger, the paper, you can actually come up here and zoom it in. And that makes it a little easier to do your writing also. And it can be moved around also. So that's useful if you're having trouble getting into the little space, if there is a little space. Actual size, I'll pop it right back to the way it was. If you want to print this page, you hit that little print button. And then once you've done it, now it's not on mine because mine is in the teacher and not in the student, but it'll say turn in. And once you're done, you have to click turn in to make it stop. So I hope that helps you with Kami.